Cute, I have to do a bonus video. Here's a little platinum ink male, orange collar kitten. Little champagne mink female, trying to have a nap. Mama just put food all over my nice clean cage floor. Everybody drops food everywhere. You'd be surprised how messy kittens can be. Say we're constantly cleaning. Here's the champagne point male in the cave at the bottom of the cat tree. It's a carpeted cat tree. Hello, Fatty. Hello, Mr. Platinum Mink Male. You're just a ball of fluff. You're just a ball of fluff. Here comes the little runt. She's just adorable. Hi, baby girl. And here comes her big sister. Bigger sister. Are you going to get something? Are you going to show us how you do it? Show us how you catch something. I know, you want to catch me. That's what you want to catch. Oh, it's litter box time, I'm afraid. Everybody is using their box nicely. He's back at the food dish again. Hello, did you get some more fish? Is that fish good for you? Yes. See if I can make him look up. Can you look up? There's a pretty close-up shot. Yes, you are a nice little mouser. Oh, she's a good girl. She's using her litter box. Good girl. That's what a big girl does. Mom is over here grooming. Just about everybody's in the cave now. Oh, just two of them. Champagne mink male playing with Glinda. He's trying to catch her. And what I call blue collar, champagne point male. You cleaning your babies, Gracie? Oh, good grooming, Gracie. You make sure he's nice and spotless. You make sure he's nice and spotless. Yes. Oh, don't stand in the food bowl. They kick food out of the food cup all the time. That's why the vacuum is always here. It's never put away. It's never put away. You are really giving him a bath, Mama. Oh, look. I have the champagne mink male. He's in the horsey. Are you in the horsey? Are you in the horsey? Yes, you are in the horsey. See? A horsey. They love the ponytail at the end. Yes, okay. Well, we're gonna say goodbye at this point. Glinda, are you grooming yourself? Is Mama grooming? The baby's gonna get you. He looks like he's waiting for trouble in there. There's the little platinum point female. She's gonna catch you. She's got food on her face. It's funny. You see her chin is brown from the beef and chicken feast she just ate. Mom's gonna clean you up. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Are you grooming yourself? Everybody wants to look pretty for their picture, huh? You chasing your tail? You chasing that tail? Okay, let's say goodbye. Oh, we're having a nap over here with our sister. It's cute. 2 downstairs, 1 upstairs, and 4 are wide awake.